Hi, I'm Jill. Today is Wednesday, December 6th in 2023. Snowstorms are bearing down on parts of the U.S. weeks before the official start of winter, which falls on December 21st in the Northern Hemisphere. But on the heels of several scorching months, scientists confirmed that 2023 will still officially be the hottest year on record. Drug shortages. Drug shortages in the U.S. are forcing impossible choices for Americans, medical experts told the Senate committee at a hearing Tuesday. The majority of the nearly 200 ongoing shortages, 84%, don't involve new or novel drugs but rather generics that have been on the market for decades, said Sen. Mike Crapo, R. Idalo. Generics make up 9 out of every 10 prescriptions filled in the U.S., so shortages have a big impact on the country's health. Many of these generics treat cancer. Fludarabine, a reliable drug used as a part of CAR T-cell therapy, is in shortage now, according to the FDA. As with many cancer drugs, it has been on and off the list for years. This forces consumers to scramble for viable alternatives or they'll forego treatment entirely, Crapo said.